Yo, what's going on, guys? We're back here today with another review video. Like I said in my last video, I'd have another replacement for the ecoboost that I got rid of. So without further ado, I want to show you what we're replacing it with. So here we've got my 2022 Mustang GT. I know what you're thinking. Why does it got a Mach 1 front end? That's a long story. I bought this car brand new about a couple months ago, probably. I want to say it was February I bought the car brand new, which I got some videos that I'll definitely be posting of the car, like some shorts of the car whenever it was completely bone stock. I have done a little bit to this car. For starters, we'll get started with the front end. It does have a Mach 1 conversion with the Cervini's ram air hood. It's a Cervini Stalker, I believe. And man, is it mean looking. So right after I got the car, had an accident. I was heading home from VMP because they are quite local to me. Had the car dynoed, and I was riding home. It was probably 8, 9 o'clock at night, and a guy in front of me lost his load on his trailer, and a piece of rebar went right through my bumper. So I originally did the Mach 1 conversion. Everything was all good. I had it looking like that for a couple months, and then I had a dude pull out in front of me and take off the front end. So I just got the car back probably a month or two ago. We took it to Mustang Week right after, and now we're here. But the paintwork, all that came out immaculate. It is quite dirty right now. I haven't had time to wash any of them. I am actually filming this video the same day as I did my last video, which you guys have already seen. But let's get a little bit more into depth of what I've done to the car, what the car is. So it's a base premium GT. It does come with the 4-piston brakes, which I ended up painting green with the G2 caliper paint brush on paint system, which it worked out great, and I added some Brembo stickers on there, which the paint came out amazing on that. Like, it honestly doesn't even look like it was a brush on. I did put my Recaro seats from my old car in it. I actually drove down to Fort Myers and I picked these up. They're Ford Performance Recaros. Super comfortable, most comfortable racing seat I've ever had. This car does have the digital dash. I did add a RTR shift knob, and then I've got my little quiet plate in the corner over there. But currently this car only has like 6,800 miles on it, 6,900 miles on it. It does have the full digital dash. Alrighty, picking up where I left off. The car just killed my recording because I am recording this on my phone whenever I did turn it on. So back where I left off on, car does have the digital dash. It's got all of the features except for the B&O system, which I had in my last car, which I wasn't the biggest fan of. This car also has the Night Pony package, so it has the gloss black wheels, gloss black roof. I actually had the hood vents painted the same gloss black, and then I also had the bottom splitters, the grills, and all the inserts on the Mach 1 conversion painted to match that gloss black. Moving our way down the side, as you can see, we got the brake caliper paint. I did add these little marker lights off of Amazon. I got them for like 20 bucks. Best $20 I've spent because they look immaculate. They're smoked whenever all the lights are off. And continuing back, we've got the S550 Euros off of my old car that I threw on here. I've got the flat deck lid, and then I have this little Coyote badge made for the car. It's got the GT350 track pack style wing on it. And then I did add a Corsa Extreme exhaust on here. The car is pretty decently loud. Definitely have more performance mods in store for the car, but the car still has a warranty on it currently. So we're enjoying that for a little bit, but there is some more stuff that I am going to do to the car before we start really tearing into the motor. But underneath the hood, I'll get into it. The Cervini's hood looks great. It is very heavy though, so if you guys do consider getting a Cervini's hood, just keep in mind they do add quite a bit of weight. Also, another thing I've been kind of thinking is I kind of want to add a little bit more black touches. So I'm thinking about like doing like some sort of like stripe or something like that. I don't exactly know what I want to do yet, but I'd like to do something to tie in, you know, the hood scoop and all that black. But I mean, the car looks immaculate. Like I am beyond astounded with how this car looks. Let me try and do this with one hand. Still don't have the little hood struts, which I definitely need to invest in. One thing about the Cervini's hood, though, you definitely have to modify the windshield wiper sprayers, which I haven't done yet, so that's why that wire is hanging. But yeah, we got a Gen 3 Coyote. Does have a manual transmission. Pretty much it's bone stock, other than I added a UPR catch can on there. I took the big ugly cover off because we don't need that. I do have a cold air intake coming in, so we'll be installing that in one of the next videos as soon as it gets here. But yeah, I do have a lot of plans. Maybe either switching in the future to a Cobra Jet manifold or a ported 18 manifold. I'm not exactly sure exactly what we're going to do yet with the car. Still got plenty of time to figure that out. But, you know, as in its stock form, you know, it's fast, it's fun, and it's reliable. We took this car, we hot lapped it on the drag strip, turned right around and ran it on the autocross course, which I'll throw in a little bit of those clips at the end of this video as well, down in Myrtle Beach, whenever we took it for Mustang Week. But overall, this car is absolutely like my dream car. I've always wanted, you know, a GT. Whenever I bought this car, I actually was going to look at a silver one, and then I saw that they had this one. It's the exact same color as the old 3.7, so I had to pull the trigger on it. You know, it just kind of, I saw it there and I knew I had to have it. But overall, guys, you know, this car is awesome, and I look forward to making many more videos with this car, with the Mazda Speed. And then I've also got a couple other toys I got to show you guys. But for now, I'm going to leave it here. If you guys have any videos that you guys want to see in the future, let me know down in the comments below. Like I said, I've got some videos I'm going to be posting here very soon. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. And yeah, have a good day, guys.